Hi guys, welcome back. So today we've got episode 2 of the RacingLine upgrades for the MK8 Golf R. So today we're going to be covering all the sort of like aesthetic upgrades that they offer. So we've got a bunch of them down here in front of me at the moment. So we've got sort of like the engine bay quite nicely covered with things like the billet engine oil filter cover. You've then got like the washer bottle cover and then the oil and coolant covers as well. So these are all nice billet items. As well as that, we've got the billet dipstick and then the bonnet gas strut as well. So that replaces the factory manual one, which for some reason they decided to install on this. And then over at the back of the car, we've got the fuel filler cap, and then we've got these very nice wheel studs that I'm looking forward to getting fitted to the car. So yeah, we're going to get all these fitted and hope you enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously, if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.